What's the meaning of clobber? Clobber. Clobber.
Clobber. Clobber. The term clobber is commonly used to describe an action that results in overwriting or destroying existing data or information. This can happen intentionally or accidentally, and the outcome can be detrimental in various contexts. For example, a programming command that uses the clobber option can overwrite important files without any warning or confirmation. In general, clobbering usually leads to loss of data, corruption of files, or even system crashes. Therefore, it's important to take caution when using tools that have the potential to clobber existing data.